Hi, my name is Olga Patricia Patino Aldana. I have 40, 46 years old. My profession is Regents Pharmaceutical. I work at Sena as instructor. My composited family are 4 persons. Uh, my husband and 2 children and me. My husband is Fernando Linares. He's 49 years old. He works at Hotel JW Marriott as guide tourist. My daughter is Andrea. Andrea is 26 years old. She is a student business administration. She is married with Ronald. Nicolas is my son. Nicolas is 22 years old. He is a student in electronic engineering. He is single. My favorite sport is run and go to the gym. My favorite food is pasta and vegetables and seafood. I like travel, work. I like sport. I dislike the person in dishonest. This is the picture in my house. This is living room. This is dinner room. This is my gym. The gym. This is a kitchen. There is bedroom. There is a start. There is bedroom. This is in my house. In this moment, we are building in my house. Thanks.